Haircare tips for aging hair from Farlicure Incorporated, Dallas. Farlicure Incorporated, a premier Dallas hair replacement studio, offers key tips for managing aging hair, including regular trimming. Trim hair every 6 to 8 weeks to prevent split ends and encourage growth. Gentle hair products. Use products with mild, nourishing ingredients like keratin, argan oil, and aloe vera. Washing routine. Wash hair less frequently, as aging scalps produce less oil. Minimize heat styling. Reduce use of heat styling tools to avoid hair damage. Stress reduction. Manage stress, as it can negatively affect hair health. Hair vitamins. Incorporate protein, collagen, and essential vitamins into your diet for better hair health. Hair replacement. If other options fail, consider Farlicure's non-surgical hair restoration for personalized solutions. For a free consultation on hair restoration, contact Farlicure. Contact Pam Florig, 214-691-5700.